Yo, what's up world? Today I'm in Seminiak and exactly on the street like this one. Meanwhile, this is the junction between Legian Street and Seminiak. So if you're gonna go this direction is Legian and this is Seminiak. And I'm gonna continue today's vlog on this street, Jalan Kampung Tanduk. I got quite many requests about how is life in Seminiak and is Seminiak good area for living and for holidays and everything. So today's I will try to answer you for every question about regarding Seminiak, and I will show you a little bit how it looks deep inside Seminiak, because usually I'm showing you how it looks Seminiak on the beach side or next to Legian, but today I will show you how it looks in this street. This street is famous for the so many sports bar, also gay bars if you are interested, and also budget hotels. So this is like a very average area of Seminiak. Alright, and here we go, starting from Frankenstein statue, and there was the restaurant. Unfortunately, it remains closed. There are some ladies having a boutique and so many tattoo shops, boutiques, like clothes, accessories, stuff like this. Not really shopping strolls, but more likely boutiques already. And this is like a very average and very affordable area of Seminiak for everyone who is thinking to come for holidays or living in Seminiak area. Probably you could consider to stay in this area of this street. And also I'm heading now straight into Double Six Beach, and where is all the bars and beach clubs and the fancy hotels also over there. But I want to show you today, starting from more deep in the city center, how does it look, this area of Seminiak. Here is Sushimi, probably Japanese sushi restaurant, and also a lot of tattoo shops and stuff like this. If you are interested to having tattoo, unfortunately this business is actually out of business. As you see, the Warung is for rent. I walk on this side of the street, but it's so sunny, and that's also not really good for the image what you see, and also not really good for me. Alright, here's supposed to be the gelato factory. Unfortunately, it's closed. In normal conditions this street was quite busy and quite very friendly. I mean, like so many businesses and everything, but right now it's a bit quiet. I make a vlog here last time about half year ago, so that's how it was. Here is the another sports bar. Like I said, there are some people even inside, some folks. Many restaurants like this one, for example, Colosseum, Italian. Many boutiques like this one, for example. In normal conditions, when everything was normal, obviously it was quite busy, I had to say, but not as busy and not as fancy as in other parts of Seminiak. But still, it was very affordable. This area was very similar a little bit to the, if I can compare Seminiak to Sanur, was a little bit similar vibe. But unfortunately, this is the Crocodile. Whoa, another sports bar. I cannot see what's the name of this sports bar, but it's live music inside, so that's actually pretty cool. The warehouse, that was the Som restaurant, and this was the Bush, actually the bar. I will cross the street to show you the Bush. That was actually a quite famous place, as I remember. Still very peaceful, as you see. I will stop for a while just to show you around. How does it look like? And I will continue my stroll. That's simply how does it look like. And here is already the opera. That's the bar. And unfortunately many businesses like this one, for example the backyard, are completely out of business right now, which is actually pretty sad. So basically many businesses are out of business, which is sad. And here, like everywhere, is something for rent, which is pretty sad. Or even like something simple business like this one, like a Yogurt Republic or something like that, out of business. Meanwhile, behind me is the area of the gay bar, so if you're interested I will also show you around. So this is already the Maxwell and Bali Joe. That's the two bars next to each other. They are very famous for the gay bars. We make a vlog, special vlog about that also once, already a long time ago, but you can find on our channel if you're interested. Polo Ralph. Long time ago, when normal conditions, Polo brand was very famous, super famous place, but not now. You can buy helmet and some wooden things. Some Warung are open actually shop with accessories. Here the dresses, Vespa. This is actually barber shop. But for example, these businesses over there, they are just empty buildings ready for you to rent if you're interested, for example. So that's how does it look like. Here is the Lucky Day, another sports bar, and this one actually interesting is open. One bar. Hello. So quiet, yeah. Maybe on the way back, okay? Because I need to go to the beach, you know. But maybe on the way come back, okay? Thank you. Lucky day. Same to you. Lucky day. Oh, by the way, it's very slippery on this path because it was rainy like a half hour ago. I nearly fall down already. So I'm so sorry for the shake of the camera, but I nearly fall down. Lucky as I didn't fall down. Otherwise, you know what will happen. Alright, that's how does it look like. Here's supposed to be some shopping stroll area with the merchandise, stuff like this. There are some tourists actually walking on the small gang right now, and here's supposed to be the very nice restaurant, but all the building, all the corners totally for rent, as you could imagine. Okay, the good sign is that there are two tourists walking on the streets here, which is some improvement to the last time. But I just want to show you, I just stopped in this place. All these buildings here, this one, why is so bright my face? This one, and this big building here, everything, just literally everything is for rent, is empty and is buildings for rent. So that's mean as the businesses, the owners, they are already out of business here. So this is actually sad, really sad. And many people also asking us in the comments, they are thinking the thought is Bali will ever recover to the stage like before. For sure, the history show as Bali will recover, but this is the highest, the biggest crisis in the history of Bali and probably in the world. So definitely will take a time. It's gonna be takes much more time after 2002 than in 2002, after 2002 or in 1990s. However, Bali is also more famous, more popular right now than it was 20 or 30 years ago. So I hope so we'll recover fast. But yeah, currently that's how it looks. The situation is actually quiet. Busy time to time on the street, some people driving around, so it's really a good sign as something will change. However, this is the one restaurant, seafood grill, closed. So here already you have, as you see, the boutiques, spa, I think it's already out of business, but spa, Circle K Market, Tattoo, boutique, and the hotel also. So this is like a not so bad area in my opinion. However, well, very quiet at the moment. At this point, it's actually very quiet. But yeah, hotel is open. Actually, this is the actually courtyard by Marriott. Very interesting fact. One is courtyard in Marriott in Nusa Dua. Long time ago, we stayed in one courtyard Marriott in Nusa Dua actually, and this one is Seminyak one, and just next door is the restaurant. I don't know what's the name of the restaurant, however, unfortunately it's closed. Pizza takeout, I'm not sure. So this is the Marriott. We are open, ready to serve you, as you see, and they have another even nice truck, and they have yo, what's up? Yo. And they even have a very friendly the taxi driver. And this is the courtyard, and this is the Blue Z, whatever, something like that, another hotel. I'm not sure if it's this one open. If so, it's very quiet. Yo, what's up? And some tourists also stay, and very friendly staff. The hotel, the Marriott actually is quite big, as you see. They going like this and this. This is city hotel, no access to the beach, like many things all on this street actually right now. But basically, in some areas of Bali, the people are more friendly and more open-minded to be on the camera, and in some, the people are just shy. Doesn't mean as they are not friendly; they are just more likely shy. And I'm just passing Grandma's. Oops, this one. Also, city hotel, quite affordable. So this is actually one of the cheapest, more affordable area of Seminyak, of this street. One more time, because I passed, there are actually some tourists here, as you see, and in this car is taxi, and here was Kindiki, some Hawaiian style of warung. Unfortunately, oh, it's open actually. Tiki bar open on the top. Maybe, yeah, that's how does it look like. And there are street inside. You can also explore there. Unfortunately, here also abundant construction of the hotel already for many years. And this is the driver, probably grab of somebody. Puri Cendana. This is one of the oldest hotel in this area of Seminyak. Also here, Cendana restaurant. They try to be open, and they have a pool because this belongs to the hotel, but I'm not sure if it's open actually. And check this out, these cables. They are on the height of the camera almost. Here we go. This is the Royal Beach Hotel entrance. I'm not sure if it's open. Normally here is fontaine and it's light, but there is security, so I think it's open, but probably not so busy. And here is already some cars on the way to the beach. Beach is over there, so that's a good sign. And here we go. This is already Gado Gado restaurant. On the other side is Anantara Hotel, and that's already famous brand in Seminyak, as you see. And this is already beach hotel, beach area. Yo, what's up? Tired? This is the gate already to the beach, and if you're gonna go by this small road, they are La Plancha, Double Six, and many other famous places. I make a vlog already many times over there, so maybe not this time. This is the lady washing the hands, and this is the Anantara. Some taxi drivers waiting for you. This guy with the dog. And quick look. How does it look on the beach? Is still very early. It's about 4:30 p.m. if you are interested today about today time. All right, looks good. Looks pretty good. Some tourists, and here some tourists, and photo session. And in general, if you're gonna go in this direction, will be the famous Kudeta and stuff like this. Alright, as I promised, I come back to the lucky day, Warung, and we'll see. Oh, I come back. Are you happy? Lucky day, lucky girl. I got my Radler, so that's good. And meanwhile, that's how it looks, the sports bar here. That's only one of few example. Yo, what's up, my friend?
Yes.
All good, yeah?
Lucky day.
Yeah, lucky day.
Lucky day.
Lucky guy, exactly. And there is the this is the sports bar, so they have a big screen. You can watch your Formula 1 or the football or whatever. They have a Radler, so it's good. Happy bartender in lucky day. Yo, what's up, my
Lucky
friend?
day.
Lucky day.
Drink.
Already, and showing pretty cool place.